3 wild relishes, 1 freaking grill, and barbecued wiener action like there's no tomorrow. This is where it's at, and this is the hot dog show. We're making 3 outrageous relishes that are gonna clap harder than some buns in a Sir Mix-a-Lot video.
Oh my God.
Today's relishes that we're doing, we've got a cherry pepper relish. It's a sweet heat. Then we're gonna go in with some pineapple jalapeno. That's gonna give us some of that tropical fire vibe. After that, we're doing a classic pickle garlic relish. It's not that green goo.
The green slime.
But it's gonna be a garlic dill that's gonna give you that classic crunch. So let's get to it. Let's get after it. Let's fucking make some shit, dude. Relish number 1 is our sweet cherry pepper relish. We've got our sweet cherry peppers, and I got the mild kind because I'm gonna add the heat in. We're just gonna take these and dice them up nice and tight. I wanna keep the juice kind of in there. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of the seeds, just because when you're chomping down on a hot dog, you don't need all these seeds. And I'm using a couple of red cherry peppers and a couple of green ones, just because we want a lot of different colors going on. Now, this is just a classic yellow chili pepper. You can get these all over the place. We're putting a few of these in to give us that heat, because we don't want it to be overly hot. We just want to get a little bit of that spice. We want to bring something to the table other than just ketchup, mustard, and relish to the backyard hot dog barbecue. So, now that we've got our peppers all de-seeded and ready to go, we're just gonna give them a nice mince. And we're doing about 1/4-inch slices, and then we're gonna take those down to little bitty, tiny pieces. Literally, this is one of the easiest relishes that you can make. All you have to do is just chop up some peppers. There's our red, here's our yellow. We're gonna get everything chopped into rings. And we can do this a little bit faster. I like to do it slow, especially when I'm working on the camera, because sucks to cut your finger. All right, so we've got all that. I don't mind a few seeds in there. Now we're just gonna take and run our knife through like this until we get everything minced up. And I'm only using like a couple peppers, 4 peppers today and 3 of the chili peppers. You can use more because obviously you'll have more people coming over. And I think that's looking pretty good to me. I got a few rings here. So we've got our peppers all diced up, ready to go. Those are going back in here. And we're not quite done yet, right? Because if that's hanging out all day, you're gonna wanna give it a little bit of juice. He like it a juice. She like it a juice.
We like it a juice.
Nothing but pros here. All right, so we're gonna take just a little bit of our sweet pepper juice, put it in there, and we're gonna set that aside. Let's get cleaned up here and on to our next relish. Our next relish hails from a little town we like to call Honolulu. It's a grilled, or is it a grill? We could grill these. We could griddle these if we wanted to, but I think we're just gonna go fresh today. We wanna keep it easy. Griddle those up, get some nice char on it, the sweetness of it. You know, I'm talking about it. We might as well just do it. Let's get these guys going. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the influencer thing. Yeah, that sucked. Oh, that actually smells really good. Really good. While we've got those kind of charring up on the griddle, we're just gonna prep our jalapeno. And very similar to what we did before with our other peppers, we're gonna de-seed it. Because everybody's got that one aunt that's like, I don't like too much spicy stuff. Let's get rid of these seeds. Let's get rid of that jalapeno.
Fucking jalapeno. Like it anyway.
Fuck you, jalapeno. You're hot shit. All right, well, let's go ahead. Yeah, I do. But while that's going, I'll grab another jalapeno here in a sec. We're just gonna cut this into strips and give it a nice, quick, tight dice. Tight dice. And you know what? For our purposes today, half a jalapeno is gonna work just fine. We're gonna check our pineapples real quick. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of what we want. We want a little bit of that. Just a little bit of heat, a little bit of char. How are these babies doing? Ooh, those are nice. Nice and steamy. Hot dogs are looking good. And you know what that means? We got one more relish to make after this. And then it's Slappa De Dog time.
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
All right, our pineapples are done. We're gonna bring them over. Just like all the other relishes, this is gonna get a little bit of pineapple juice for that sweet heat. So we're gonna take these down, and I would suggest you let them cool before you handle them like I'm doing. But, you know, we wanna keep things rolling for you. Just take this down as much as you can. And then, once we get them down to smaller cubes, we're gonna incorporate the jalapenos, and we're gonna really go down. Remember, we're making a relish. We don't want anything that's too big of a bite. All right, you know, would have been great to have another half a jalapeno in there. When you do yours, you can do that. I'm gonna call that good. Jalapeno pineapple relish. Pull it here. We're gonna get that into our bowl. Actually looks really nice. Our third and final relish doesn't involve a knife at all, so I won't be poking myself or any of that fun stuff. Obviously, we've got 2 pickles, and I lied because it does involve a knife. We're gonna cut them in half, put them in our trusty Magic Bullet, our other non-sponsor. 2 cloves of garlic. Because we are gonna blend this up, we're gonna take a little bit of pickle juice. We're gonna go in. And this one actually gets a little bit of celery salt, or celery seed. The pickles are already kind of salty, so don't want another salt element going into this. Just want a little bit of celery seed. This is gonna give you that good old Chicago style vibe. Now, we take our good magic bullet here, and we're just gonna pulse it. Pulse, 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 pulse. We don't wanna liquefy this, we just want it to be juicy. Did this work at all? Let's see. Is that relish? That doesn't look like relish at all. It smells delicious. Oh man. Sometimes the blender may take it down too far. And I think I want a little bit more chunkage. A little more chunkage in that. I'm gonna start with an extra pickle here. And if yours doesn't look the way you want it to, dice up a little more pickle. And you can control the amount of dice that you get. So, to me, that looks pretty good. And we may have put too much juice in there, so just kind of eyeball it. It's gonna look a little bit better. And I'm going in, I'm gonna do one more of these pickles in here. Choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy. That's the thing about working fast. Looking at the camera, no big deal. We got blades down here next to our fingers. Don't need those. All right, it's looking pretty good. Ah, see? Slow down, Eddie, slow down. Actually, look at that. That looks pretty good. Slappa De Dog number 1. Slappa De Dog number 2. Number 3. Our first relish going down is our pepper relish. And look at these babies. Huh? Put our buns in these. That's nice. Going in with our sweet hot pepper relish. That just looks really, really nice. Our second relish is our pineapple jalapeno. The only thing I think we could have done better here is put more jalapeno on there. And, you know, but that's gonna give you a little tropical sweet, tropical heat. And why not put a little sweetness on the end of the tip? All right. We just made our third relish, which is our pickle relish. And we're going into Garlic-Dill Pickle Relish with a little celery seed. Ooh, that's a big chunk of garlic. That's a bigger chunk of garlic than I want in there. Nobody wants that much garlic. One of the things that I didn't do that I would suggest that you do is take your garlic and chop it down a little bit. Get it into bite size or little pieces that you want. You don't want that much garlic going down. But tell you what, we have got 3 gorgeous looking hot dogs here. So our final builds and our bites. First up, we've got our sweet hot pepper dog. And we're gonna give it a little zag of our signature hot dog show mustard. Then, next up, we've got our tropical fire pineapple jalapeno relish. And that gets a little bit of sriracha, the good kind. And then, of course, this is a classic here, right? This is a classic pickle relish, little mustard. It's got Chicago vibes written all over it. And we're going down a little bit of mustard there. We got to give them each a taste. And first up is our sweet heat. This is our cherry pepper and yellow chili pepper with a little bit of mustard. You get the heat from the yellow chili peppers. You also get a nice sweet and tart flavor from those cherry peppers. Absolutely great. Next up, it's our tropical fire. That is great with the jalapeno and the sweetness of the pineapple. I would say the only thing I would do different with this is I would take this onto a grill and actually grill this up so you get more char on the pineapple. That'd be absolutely delicious with this, but the sweet and the heat against the salty of the hot dog, I would also pair this with maybe a bacon wrap hot dog. That would be really, really amazing. So, this one, I don't know if I've got high hopes for. It's a lot of dill. Last time I made one of these, it was quite a bit of relish. Let's see how it stacks up. Okay. 3 very distinct hot dogs. This is gonna give everyone at your party a little bit of something that they like. If they like the sweet heat, the cherry pepper relish brings a nice bit of tang, some heat with the yellow chili peppers, and of course it goes well with the mustard and the hot dog. The pineapple jalapeno relish with the sriracha gives you a little bit of that Hawaiian flair, and I would pair that with a bacon wrap dog, and that would be absolutely amazing for anybody that loves a little bit of, maybe they're a little more adventurous. And then finally, this classic. This is actually very classic, and it's better than regular relish. Regular relish is a little over the top sweet for me. This has got a great dill flavor, and with that garlic and that celery seed, it's like putting a Chicago dog into the relish. Absolutely delicious. Next time you're firing up the grill, don't just bring the basics, bring the flavor. What should we slap on a hot dog next? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on any of the fun while we're hanging in the bun. Until next time, stay snappy, keep those buns steamy, and we'll see you next time. Nowhere to go.